Assistant Professor in Department of ISC. Uh,
Okay, good morning, students. Welcome to the lab program explanation of the third lab program. Okay, that is a stack, and also here you'll be finding out the application of stack. That is finding out the palindrome of a number, where normally the stack operation are push, pop, and display. Okay, since it's a push, pop, and display, here what we are going to do is we are going to enter the element and we are going to find out whether it's a palindrome or not. Okay, whether a given integer a palindrome or not, or if it's a character, given character is palindrome or not. So what we did, it is an htdr.h conjurat. I think you know what it does. Next, hash define maximum size of 4. So the maximum of your stack can hold a maximum of 4 elements or 4 characters. Okay, next, int stack of max comma item character top equals -1, count equals 0, status equals 0. Next, void push, it's an operation where you're going to check for a stack full condition, because if the stack is full, okay, so we can't insert any more element as we did in terms of an array. That is in your first lab program. Okay, you're going to print saying the stack overflow. Suppose you have entered 4 elements and then you try to enter one more element, so it's going to give stack overflow. Else, stack of plus plus top equals item. That is, you're going to increment the top, you're going to insert the item, and then the status plus plus, that is, the value gets increases of a status. Next, it's a pop operation. What you're going to do in pop operation? So what you're going to do it in pop operation. So in pop operation, we are going to delete the element, but it is nothing but LIFO, that is last in first out. Okay, what you're going to do? It's a last in first out. Okay, so declare a variable, that's a local variable. If then here for popping, we are going to check for a stack empty condition, because if the stack is empty, then there is no need of deleting an element. So if stack is empty, you're going to say that it's a stack underflow. Else you're going to say that you're going to mark the element. Okay, you're going to mark the element to be deleted, and then you're going to decrement the status. So as you're going to increase, as you're going to add the element, you're going to stay. It will be status plus plus. And say you're going to delete the element, it is status minus minus. Next, the pop element is you're going to pop that. Then you're going to return the popped element. Next is finding out whether in a stack the element contained is a palindrome or not. Okay. So here what we are going to do, we are going to write this function with the two local variables I and temp, where temp equals status. What is the status? Status plus plus and status minus minus. So it gives the length of a stack. Next, for I equals 0, I less than status, that is that contain the temp contain and I plus plus. If stack of I equals pop of stack, what you're going to do? So you're going to pop the element. Okay, you're going to pop the element from the stack. Okay, and then the count value is equal to, you go on incrementing the count. So as you're going to decrement, as you're going to increment the count, you're going to find out whether the elements in the palindrome, that is, was, say for an example, you have entered the value 1221, and once popping it should be on the other side. Pushing the operation is done from top end, and then deletion also is done from the top end. So if the value, if temp equals count, you can say that stack contents are a palindrome, else it is not a palindrome. Okay, next, void display stack, the stack contain. Again, if the stack is empty, then no need of displaying any element. Else you're going to display the element. From where you're going to display? You're going to display the element from top to bottom. Okay, next, void main. Again, it's a do while loop. Since it's a menu driven program, printf main menu Okay, 1 to push, 2 to pop, 3 to find out whether a given value is the given stack contains a palindrome or not, and then you're going to exit. Next, you're going to enter the choice. Case 1, you're going to enter the element to be pushed. Next, push the element onto the stack, and then you will display the element into the stack. Next, case 2, pop, display. Case 3, finding whether it's a palindrome. Case 4 is the default, that is, it's a execution. Okay. Now let's find out. Let's run the program, and your program doesn't contain any error, so it will get debugged. Okay. Next, I'll say enter your choice one. I'm going to enter the element to be pushed. One again. Two, one, one, two again. Two, one. Next again. Now I'll try to push the element 3 onto the stack. Okay. So here, okay. Here enter the choice 3. It's a palindrome. Okay, next I'm going to enter the choice 1. Okay, again I'll just say 3. Okay, enter the element to be pushed. Okay, again enter your choice 1. Enter the element to be pushed 2. Now as soon as we will be displaying, so the stack content are 3 2. Again now 1 1. Okay, now what will be the stack content? 3 2 1. Next, now I'll just say enter the value 2. Okay, pop. What element will be popped? Their choice 2. 3 to 1. So the 1 will be popped. Next, enter the choice 4. The program comes out. So this is the explanation for your